Living with a spinal cord injury requires a high maintenance lifestyle. Besides doing daily exercise, I also have home massage therapy to help me keep up with all the pains and aches and stress in my body. As you can see, I have a fair collection of massage tools. In this video, I will talk about where I use them and how I use them. First, I want to talk about trigger point massage. Trigger points can cause pain, impact movement, reduce mobility, and flexibility. Trigger points can form on their own or can form as a response to an injury, even after that injury has healed. Pain resulting from the trigger point can radiate or transfer to other parts of the body. Point massage can be done at home. It has become my weekly routine. The trigger point is often tender and uncomfortable when pressure is applied to it. Therefore, wherever you find a spot that is painful to press, you will dwell on it for a little while. By using those massage tools, it makes it less labor intensive for the person who is doing the massage. Again, the process can be painful and sometimes unbearable, but the pain is worth it because after the treatment, there will be less soreness and aches on the body, and the result can last for a while. This self-massaging tool enables me to find and massage the trigger points by myself. Many of these activities can happen at the same time as I'm watching TV or listening to a podcast. They really don't take too much extra time. Your hands are probably the best massage tool. They can reach areas that are only accessible by hands. For example, your neck. Sometimes headaches and high eye pressure are caused by poor circulation in the neck area. Massaging your forearms and hands help reduce stress caused by pushing the wheelchair. Massaging the feet helps with reducing swelling, improving blood circulation, and stimulating acupuncture pressure points. Please note that in this video, I'm only showing you what can be done during home massage therapy. To actually learn the techniques, please watch videos taught by professionals, and I have included some sample videos in the description section of this video. Lastly, I want to share this hack. This is a rolling pin, and it used to belong in my kitchen. Mine is about 40 centimeters long. I use this to massage my tailbone and sit bones. I was amazed on how soothing this feels. I also use it to gently pat and roll through my lower body and my back as a form of self-massage. This is my way to pressure relief after sitting for a while.